This is the instruction video for the couch table. This couch table was special order. This customer ordered 2 cup holders. They use 1 cup holder. So I'm just putting these, I'm starting off these Allen wrench screws by hand. And then we take the Allen wrench and with a few turns, makes it nice and sturdy. Okay. We'll place this on the ground now and do the next part. This is the bottom part of the couch table. You can see the base of it, there's no stain, so it won't damage your flooring or anything like that. If you notice also, I took the screw heads and spray painted them the color of the table himself. I think it's a nice look that way, nice finishing look. In there. There'll be little cushion pieces on the bottom of the table also. That's the last step I do. Okay, so now the top and the bottom are assembled. And now we want to join the top and the bottom pieces together. In order to do that, we take these silver screws. They're called connecting screws. So I'm taking this connecting screw right here. I'll place it through here. Okay, and then I'll take the other end, the small screw, and it just goes right in. It actually connects to the larger, the cylinder part. Just screw it into the other side. Okay, and then the same thing for the bottom. Same connecting screw. Put the small screw in there. Start it off with your finger, and then just turn it in. We're almost set. Now we have these. These are additional supports. So. See the screw head, spray painted it the color of the table. Okay, these over here are additional supports. You simply just screw them in with the provided Allen wrench. Nice and easy. And then we'll do the same thing for the bottom of the table. It's a pre-drilled hole. Screw right in there. Just tighten it up. And we'll start using our table. So here's the finished table. And the 2 cup holders. And there she is. Hope you enjoy using the table as much as I enjoy building it. Thank you.